open PyCharm and click here, create new project. Specify the name. Let's select my first project. So if project is already there, so it will show the error. So let me just give some other name. First project. So this is location. You can always modify the location from here, wherever you want to store it. Now here you can see project interpreter. By default it will select, but if you want to change this interpreter, you can always select this option and choose the location where your interpreter is located. Other options are there, like if you want to inherit the global site packages, you can select it. We'll come to the package in coming lectures. In that case we can select it. So right now we don't have to do this. Now here, simple, just type the name of the project and create it. Okay, so project setup is done. Now here this is your project and you can right click on this project and create a file, new. Now you can see you can create a file, directory, Python package, Python file, even HTML. Let's go for Python file. Select this option and specify the name. By default the extension for the Python file is .py. Now here we don't have to specify .py, it will automatically take. Press OK. This is your file. Now let's test it. So here I'll write print statement and just print hello. To run this file, right click and run it and see here hello. Now let's modify this GUI part. Now you can see it's working. Now go to this file, settings, in appearance you can choose the theme. So I personally like this theme, IntelliJ. Then you can press OK and everything will change. Now you can see here it's in white background, but here small issue, you can see this font size is very small, right? It can strain your eyes. So let's increase this. Go to file again, go to settings. Now here you can go to just type here font and see under editor font, choose the size. I'll make it 18. You can even choose this type of font and press OK. Yeah, much better. So you can adjust this font size. You can always go to setting and you can go to appearance. This is for theme, and for font you can go here and you can select the font size.